My name is Marshall King. I'm the Fixed Operations Director at Cavener Toyota in San Antonio, Texas. We write over 300 cars a day on average every month, and in summer months, we'll write up 330 cars a day on average, Monday through Saturday.
The hidden thing that hurts retention is that a lot of stores underestimate how much delayed communication impacts retention. When customers don't get updates quickly or the process feels unclear, their confidence drops. And during busy periods, all those small delays compound throughout the day, and then that impacts the customer experience and ultimately retention.
We were on case service and a lot was falling between the cracks. My advisors were working essentially out of like 10 to 12 different screens, multiple different platforms. Interdepartmental communication didn't really exist between the service advisors, the technicians, the parts department, and with the conversations piece and dealer effects, it's just made everything very smooth.